Alright, let's look at the homework 6.3, 6.4, problem number 15. Alright, so we want to find the area of this unbounded region. So this guy goes to the negative infinity, just keeps on going. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so since integral is going to go from, so area A is going to be equal to, alright, so from negative infinity to 0. So here, negative infinity all the way to 0. So here, negative infinity to 0. Alright, the function is e to the x over 5, right, dx. Alright, so since because the troublemaker is this guy, because this is negative infinity, this is an improper integral, so we're going to use the limit. So here we're going to say limit as a approaches negative infinity. So we replace the problem so by a, and then 0 is fine. Then you have e to the x over 5 dx, right? Then we can take the antiderivative, so we'll take care of this limit later. So you have a limit as a approaches negative infinity, still here. Then antiderivative e to the x over 5 would be e to the x over 5, and divided by derivative of this is divided by 1/5. It's same thing as multiply by 5, so I'll just put that here. And then it goes from a to 0. Alright, actually I'm gonna put this guy right outside. This is just a constant, so I'm gonna put it outside. Alright, so you're gonna get 5, and you have a limit as a approaches negative infinity. Alright, then here, if you plug in 0, e to the 0 is 1, right? Minus, you have e to the a over 5, right? As a approaches negative infinity, so you're going to have e to the negative infinity over 5, so e to the negative infinity. So e to the negative infinity approaches 0. So this guy actually disappears, right? So what you get is 5 times 1 minus 0, so it's going to be 5. Right? So let's type it in. Right? So the area is going to be actually a finite number, 5. Right? So let's check submit for testing. Alright, it came back, and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.